Come on, Joseph. We're going to be a movie star. What is your favorite game? What's Joseph's favorite game? It's the water bottle game. Joseph loves this game. Wait, sit. Are you going to be good? Stay. No, sit. Ready? Hold it. Stay. Get the ball. Get that water bottle. You better bring that back to me, Joseph. Joseph, bring that water bottle back to me. Are you crazy, boy? You crazy boy. Crunch you. He loves this game. Sit. I tug of war with it? Yeah, I know you do. I know you want to play the ball. I know you do. Oh, he loves this game. Uh-oh, you're leaking. You're leaking, Joey. Your bottle's leaking. Oh, he's going to get it. Okay, sit. Release. Ready? Jump. Ah, he got it. He loves this game. He said, get the water bottle, boy. Come on, water bottle boy.